Okay, hey Jalen. So this is part two. So we did everything the last video. So this is how you're gonna tie the last video I sent to this video. Now I had to pull up YouTube University because that's what I call it. YouTube University is gonna be your best friend. I am a visual learner, so I always remember to teach for the various learners. Term for that is differentiation. Okay, so let's go to YouTube University. I typed in differentiation for writing, okay? And then I found a good video. Of course, you won't show this video to your students. This is for you. And this will help you plan. I'm gonna press play. But it's called differentiating instruction through writer's workshop. So you would basically create a writer's workshop after you go through the prompt with your students, depending on if you have enough time. Say you run out of time for that lesson, you're going to end up going to day two. All right. Day two. So in order to end lesson one, make sure you have an exit ticket. The exit ticket for day one's lesson would be all your students need to have is it a pro or con for having uniforms or for wearing uniforms and the reason why. Okay? Is it a pro or con for having uniforms and the reason why? All right? And then that will end day one's lesson. Now, day two lesson, you will open up your lesson. If you don't have enough time going over the exit ticket, y'all can open it up and say, okay, well, you know, they can read their response for their exit ticket and it could be an entry ticket, however you want to do it. But your day two could be a writer's workshop. And so I'm going to play this video that I found. So if you look at this plan, what y'all did day one, right? What are y'all going to do day two? I don't know if this is an order because if it is, I wouldn't go through this. I would plan, write, conference, revise, publish. Do you understand why I did that? I would plan. The students will plan their essay, write it out, conference either with you or their peer. That's called, if they're working with their peers, that's called peer-to-peer tutoring or peer tutoring, however. And then revise from what their rough draft. And then once they revise it and write the final draft again, they will do publish. So plan, write, conference, revise, publish. I don't know if that's in the order, but if it is, I think it's wrong. I wouldn't use it, but let me press play. So you see how they have a sheet, like a planning sheet. You can go online. Teachers Pay Teachers is the bomb.com. It's only like You can purchase assignments or lessons from other teachers for like $1 or $2. So teachers pay teachers. Excellent, source to have under your belt. Working smarter, not harder. So I'm not gonna sit here in this recording and watch this video with you, but if you please look at this. This is a perfect video for what you are trying to do. So having a writer's workshop with your students, and it shows you like the planning, them conferencing with their teachers and their peers, and like just everything that entails with it. So this is called differentiating instruction through writer's workshop. And I'm going to send you this video, and I'm wrapping it up quickly because you just called me. So I'm going to send you this video, and if you wanted an exit ticket for day 2, could be um the students, what they share with their peers. Like, it could be, well, this peer read over the essay and they noticed that this person had really good pointers. They noticed some minor grammatical errors and blah 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 blah. So I'm wrapping this video up, and I'm going to give you a call like right now. All right, have a good one.